Core topic number 3, change of subject, super hard level. So here the first example, make y the subject of the formula y minus 1 over c equal to y plus d plus 1, y plus 1 over d. Okay, let me copy down the formula first. Y minus 1 over c equal to y plus 1 over d. Now here in this formula, there are two denominators. So we need to remove the denominator at the same time. Then we need to multiply the products of the denominators. So multiply CD on both sides. CD times the left-hand side. CD times the right-hand side. So C and C can be cancelled on the left-hand side. D and D can be cancelled on the right-hand side. So we have D times y minus 1 on the left and C times y plus 1 on the right. So here, after removing the denominator, there's a brackets. So we use rainbow method to remove the bracket. D times y give us dy. D times negative 1 give us negative d. Equal to the right hand side, c times y give us cy. C times positive 1 give us positive c. Now no more bracket, no more denominators. So we are going to group the like terms together, and dy, I keep it on the left and move cy to the left. Change sign, change operation. Here addition, change subtraction, minus cy. And I keep c on the right, so just copy it down and move minus d to the right. Change sign, change operation. Here subtraction, change to addition, c plus d. Now there are more than one term including the subject, so we need to take out common factor, take out the subject y. So the first term d is left and the second term c is left. Equal to the right hand side c plus d. Now I need to move the whole bracket to the other side, so I need to divide the bracket d minus c on both sides. D minus c. So c plus d over d minus c. On the left hand side, the whole bracket d minus c can be cancelled. Therefore, y is left. The subject y equal to c plus d over d minus c. That's it. Now y is the subject. Now here the second example, make x the subject of the formula. Alpha over 1 minus x equal to beta over x. Let me copy down the formula. Alpha over 1 minus x equal to beta over x. So I want, because there are two denominators, so I want to remove the denominators at the same time. Therefore, I need to multiply the products of the denominators. So the products of denominators should be 1 minus x times x. So I multiply x times 1 minus x on left hand side, and also multiply x times 1 minus x on the right hand side. So on the left hand side, 1 minus x, the whole bracket can be cancelled. So alpha x is left on the left. And on the right hand side, x and x can be cancelled. So beta times the bracket 1 minus x is left. Now there's a bracket. Let's expand it. Beta times 1, we have beta. Beta times negative x, we have negative beta x equal to left hand side alpha x. Because we want to make x be the subject, so I keep alpha x on the left and move negative bx, beta x to the left. So change sign, change operation. This is subtraction, change to addition. Beta x equal to beta is left on the right hand side. Now because there are more than one term including the subject, so we're taking out the common factor x, taking out the subject. So for the first term alpha is left, and for the second term beta is left, so equal to the right hand side beta. Now we need to move the bracket to the right hand side, so we can divide by the whole bracket on both sides. So beta over alpha plus beta. So the whole bracket can be cancelled. So left hand side, which is x, is left. Right hand side beta over alpha plus beta. Now x is the subject. That's it. Thank you.